Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you, have you ever wanted to find someone on WhatsApp without asking for their phone number? With the new WhatsApp username feature, that's exactly what you will be able to do. If you want to know more about the WhatsApp new username feature, so I have already uploaded that video in my channel. You can get that video link in my I button, that how to create a WhatsApp username or how to fix if WhatsApp username feature is not showing on your phone. So watch that video before watching this. In this video I will show you how to find out the other people with their username. Launch the latest version of WhatsApp on your Android and iPhone. Make sure your app is fully updated. Tap on the search button inside the WhatsApp. If the username feature is available for your account, you will be able to search using a person's username instead of the number. Type the exact username of your friend, family member, brother, sister, anyone. Insert @ symbol and then enter your friend's username like this. Okay, if the username exists, their profile should appear in the search result. As you can see guys, tap on the correct profile, review the profile detail to inform it is the right person or not, then message to start the conversation. So that's all today guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. See you in the next one.